Okay, congratulations. So now we are on the last chapter of IoT 601. What does it talk about, or what they're trying to teach here is IoT case studies or application and IoT ethics. I'm going to discuss two of the very important IoT use cases or application because of which to the IoT has become extremely important for development. So first example will be smart city. Let's try to understand what is smart city all about. मैं कभी भी किसी से पूछता हूँ what is smart city, the answer which comes with extreme innocent excitement for the metro. अगर मेट्रो ट्रेन आ जाती सिटी में, that's smart city. I appreciate, मैं आपके excitement का बहुत सम्मान करता हूँ. Unfortunately, that is not the concept or definition of entire smart city. That metro is a part of smart city, but let's try to understand what smart city is all about. First, let's discuss who is a smart person we call, what is the smart device we call. Smart person हमारे हिसाब से कौन होता है? जिसका नेटवर्क अच्छा होता है, जिसको अपना काम किस तरीके से करना है, किससे कम्युनिकेट करना है ताकि मेरा काम हो या आता हो, राइट? इसी को हम स्मार्ट पर्सन बोलते हैं. स्मार्ट डिवाइस क्या होती है? कोई फोन स्मार्ट कब होता है? जब वो इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट होता है. इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट होता है, दैट मीन्स नाउ इट कैन कम्युनिकेट ओवर इंटरनेट with other devices. समझ में आया आपको? And this is smart city concept is based on IoT devices. और मैंने आपको बताया था IoT की डेफिनेशन होती है, इट इज द इंटरनेट फॉर थिंग्स, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, जहाँ पे ह्यूमन बीइंग इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत नहीं है. पहले जो इंटरनेट था that was used all entirely by human beings, but here this new concept of IoT devices are connecting over the internet with each other, communicating with each other. अब सोचिए इस सिटी में जितनी भी सर्विसेज है, मान लीजिए ट्रांसपोर्ट सर्विस है, बस सर्विस है, आपकी मोबाइल सर्विस है, बैंकिंग सर्विस है, ये सब आपस में कनेक्ट होने लगती हैं. एंड यू कैन गेट योर वर्क डन फ्रॉम वन सर्विस. मोबाइल में लॉक करके बैंक चेक कर लिया, मोबाइल में लॉक करके बस की पोजीशन देख ली, टिकट बुक कर लिया, and the device is starting communicating with each other. All services has to get integrated with minimal or zero human interference. समझे आप? That becomes smart city. लेकिन इसका end बहुत मुश्किल होता है because there are so many services. So congratulations that most of the city has started turning smart city, but it will go for a very long time because there are so many services, and I hope one day every service will connect and we'll be able to make our city 100% smart city as per the definition. Okay, all the best. Let's try for that. Second example, which I'll give for the healthcare industry, how IoT is helping there. Now let's imagine a scenario. मान लीजिए, unfortunately, we have a patient in our house. Maybe he is a senior citizen. अब सोचिए अगर maybe 3 a.m. In the midnight or maybe the morning, if he's not feeling well. Now, what will happen? Tell me. So now somebody has to be aware that he is not well now, and then the other family member need to look for a transport to reach to the hospital. And if they do not have a private vehicle or transport, they will have to look for a public transport or taxi or whatsoever. But the dependency is starting increasing. But now let's see the second scenario. मान लीजिए उनके हाथ में एक IoT गैजेट है, और अगर उनकी पल्स एक मान लीजिए थ्रेश होल्ड से ज़्यादा या कम होती है, immediately it will start signal, and the nearby hospital will get that signal. Automatically one record will be generated that this person is not feeling well, his address is this, and immediately they will send the ambulance, and the person will get the treatment on time. Can you imagine how important IoT is, how important you're going to do for the society, and currently what you're learning, right? Extremely important to understand the value of IoT technology. Okay, so this comprises both the example. I'll stop here. Now we'll go to the last subtopic of this chapter and the syllabus, that is IoT ethics. So why to it? Let's go there. Okay, also, and last subtopic, happy, right? So, what is the meaning of ethics? Ethics means moral. Do you remember we were reading books of moral science or Naitik Shiksha in our school, and there is very respected stories of Panchatantra. What they teach us? They teach us ethics, Naitik, Mulya. या मॉरल वैल्यूज दे ट्राइंग टू टीच अस। हमें कभी किसी के साथ गलत नहीं करना चाहिए, गलत होते हुए देख के हमें चुप नहीं रहना चाहिए। किस कोई गलत हमारा कोई कुलीग, हमारा कोई साथी गलत करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, हमें उसे समझाना चाहिए, राइट। और हमें खुद भी कभी गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए। लेट्स सी what can be the ethics in IoT. Some example I explained the very important use cases of IoT like smart city or healthcare or smart home also. तो अब सोचिए कि कितना प्राइवेट और पर्सनल डेटा IoT डिवाइसेस गैदर करते हैं। None of the IoT team member should ever try to misuse this. That is the first very बिग एथिक्स, राइट। कोई भी डेटा किसी को भी मिसयूज नहीं करना है। वो किसी का प्राइवेट डेटा है, पर्सनल डेटा है। दैट मस्ट बी यूज एज पर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एग्रीमेंट for benefit of everybody as defined in the contract. Number two, whatever access I have for data, I will use the data only according to that. If I have read-only access, I'll do only read. I will never try to violate the policy or try to update or do any other operation on the data or any other thing which is available through IoT to me, other than what is access given to me, right? So these are the ethics. Just example, आप खुद सोचिए और कौन से नैतिक मूल्य, moral values you're going to follow. Otherwise, this big technology of IoT or any other technology, if the ethics are not followed, it may not benefit in its real context. ये शायद अपने असली संदर्भ में लोगों की सहायता न कर सके। इसलिए हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हर डोमेन में, चाहे वो आईटी हो, चाहे वो कोई सी भी फील्ड हो, वहाँ के जितने भी प्रोफेशनल्स होते हैं, दे must follow the ethics. Okay, so congratulations all the students. We have completed entire syllabus, all five chapter of IoT Data Analytics 601. I know you are extremely talented people. This was just my small contribution for sharing my expertise with you. I hope that may work as catalyst or maybe expedite your growth rate. And I know the sky is limit for you. So let's try to serve the humanity with our knowledge.